Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to pay for Etsy without PayPal. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official Etsy website right here at etsy.com before anything else. So once we have opened up the official website right here, now we can get started. This is going to be the main homepage that you're greeted by once you open it up. So in the upper right corner, what we want to do is log in. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for a new account. And if you already have an account, just log in normally to your Etsy account. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can browse all the products you can use, you can manage your store and so on. And now we can get started. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and find the options and the products that we want to buy. So what you want to do is find the products first and add them to your cart. Let's say any product you want to buy, let's say this one right here that you want to open up and get started with adding to your cart. So this is the product, let's say, that you want to buy, and you can go ahead and select all the info right here, options, and after that select to add to cart. So you want to add it to your cart. Once you have added it to your cart, now we can go ahead and get started opening up our cart to get started paying. So once you open up your cart, it's going to go ahead and look like this. You'll be able to take a look at all the products that you have selected and added to your cart. You can take a look at how much it costs, the bill, and so on. And basically right here, this right side screen, we can go ahead and select how we are going to pay. As you can see guys, we have multiple options. We can either pay using card, we can pay using PayPal, or pay using Google Pay. You can select any of the options that you have right here. If you do not see any other option, like except let's say PayPal or except your card, something similar, then these options are not available in your country. You have to have the option available in your country to use it as a payment option. So you can just select whatever you want to use right here, either a card, Google Pay if you don't want to use PayPal, and so on. And then you can proceed to checkout where you can input all your info for paying and get started paying it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye.